everyone, it's Justine, and today we're unboxing the two new additions to the AirPods family. We've got the new AirPods 4 with noise cancellation and the standard version without. AirPods really had a moment at the Apple event. We also got an update to the AirPods Max, which I've been waiting for quite a while. I think a lot of us have, especially since Apple has been introducing USB-C into pretty much everything that they've been making for quite some time now. The day that we get that Magic Mouse update, I'm going to be screaming it from the rooftops because I love the Magic Mouse. Yes, the design of where they put the charging port is completely just unhinged, but I love that mouse for editing so much. Don't at me. Anyway, yeah, the AirPods Max, the big update is it has USB-C, so we're stoked about that. We being me. I also really love the colors. Now, technically, we didn't get an update to the AirPods Pro models, but we are getting a huge software update. Through iOS 18, that's going to be bringing us some really fantastic accessibility features, making AirPods more inclusive and versatile than ever. All right, let's unbox and check out the new AirPods 4. Okay, first I'm going to open up the active noise cancellation because these ones are already open. I think these are the ones that have my engraving. What's it going to be? It's my name with a little I. So the problem was we need to have a small letter at the front, so some of the fonts wouldn't let me do just a little letter, but I love this script font. You also have the option to do emojis. You can choose from different fonts. You can adjust the size. This looks perfect. I love this cute little case now. It's so small, super cute. Now let's open up the ones without active noise cancellation. Here they are, brand new. Now these cases look almost identical, but you will notice on the bottom there is a slight difference. So this is how you'll be able to tell which ones have active noise cancellation and which don't. There is a speaker on the bottom of the ones that have active noise cancellation, and there's no speaker on the ones that do not have noise cancellation. I love how small these little cases are. They're so shiny and new. I don't want to get them dirty. I just want to keep them here. They're so precious. Now that these have the H2 chip, this is bringing some pretty significant upgrades, especially to the active noise cancellation model for those that have the AirPods Pro 2. This model now includes active noise cancellation and transparency mode, which is great if you want immersive sound, but also the ability to hear what's going on around you when needed. One of my favorite updates though is in the AirPods with active noise cancellation, this case can charge wirelessly, or if that's not available, you can also use USB-C. Like I said, I love that Apple is making that transition to USB-C across all of their products, and it's pretty great that these AirPods are joining the USB-C squad. Now the base model of the AirPods 4 is a little bit different. It doesn't come with the noise cancellation or the transparency features, but it does have voice isolation. So when you're taking calls, it's going to make your voice sound super clear even if you're out in a noisy environment. And for $129, that's a pretty solid upgrade over the AirPods 3. So I've been loving testing out the new AirPods. Now the AirPods Pro 2 obviously are not new, but these are the new ones, the AirPods 4. I previously had a lot of trouble with AirPods fitting in my ears. The only ones that really fit super well before these was the original AirPods. The AirPods 4, they fit, but not as well as the Pros. Whatever it is about my ears, these types of earbuds don't always fit the best, but I did manage to go for several runs. I was testing these out in various situations at the beach, outdoors, walking around, and they worked really, really well. I think the most surprising thing is how incredibly active noise cancellation is on these. Now you can get them in two different versions, the ones without the active noise cancellation and the ones with, and you'll be able to tell the differences on the bottom. These have the little speaker grills and the ones with the active noise cancellation do not. But like I was saying, the noise cancellation on these just doesn't seem like it should work as well as it does. So let's put these in and do a little demo. I wish that you could hear what I hear or what I don't hear. It's so impressive. The thing that I love the most is the transparency mode, because you don't really realize that you would actually need it. It does feel like you can still hear everything perfectly fine until you turn it on. So when you go into the settings, you'll have noise control, conversation awareness, and I'm not playing anything right now, so the spatial audio isn't selected. So here's the different transparency modes. So when I turn it off, everything sounds sort of muffled. Like I can still hear say something.
A, B, C, D.
Great, that's wonderful. Love what you're doing there. You can still hear, but it sounds muffled. And then when you turn the transparency mode on, say your ABCs again.
Well, no, now I'm thinking about sushi.
Okay.
Can we get sushi later?
You can do that. And then we also have the adaptive, so this allows you to kind of hear the world around you as you need. And you can also do the noise cancellation. Everything just turned so peaceful. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back off. Wow, it's not that loud out here, but it's just brings everything down. just almost pure silence. I love it. Now, the other thing that we have is conversation awareness. This feature is something that I love because I like to wear my AirPods all the time. Like, I don't like to take them out. Something I think that a lot of us used to do before this feature was available is just wear like one AirPod so you could still hear everything, but you can still hear your content. We don't have to do that anymore, because if you have conversation awareness turned on, as soon as somebody else starts talking or you start speaking, it automatically will lower the audio so that you can hear and have a conversation. It's just that. Conversational awareness. You can turn that on or off. Now, when we play some music, let's see, what are we gonna play? I've been really into this album recently, Bronson. Let's play, oh yeah, Beeline, love this hit. All right, we're playing through Apple Music. We have Dolby Atmos, and the spatial audio, like when you're turning your head, it feels like I'm back at the Odessa concert. So good. You can also add it to be fixed, or you can completely just turn it off. But I like the head tracking. It's so trippy. Testing this out with the noise cancellation on. Oh yeah, I'm definitely back at the concert now. I wish I could play the music for you, but it's copywritten. So the main differences between these two is the fact that you are getting the noise cancellation, a magnetic wireless charging case, and these little speakers at the bottom. This will allow you to be able to find your AirPods case if it is lost, and I use that all the time. This one does not have the speakers, so you won't be able to use that feature. So depending upon which features you prefer and how much you want to spend, either way, you're gonna be getting a great pair of headphones with either one of these. And don't forget, they also have free engraving. So now to talk more about the AirPods Pro 2, it's really just a huge software update. It's now making them the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience. This update focuses on prevention, awareness, and assistance. It's really taking the AirPods Pro 2 to the next level. So for prevention, many of us are exposed to loud environmental noises regularly. So if we're commuting in a subway, mowing the lawn, or at a concert, with hearing protection on the AirPods Pro 2, Apple uses the H2 chip to analyze noise levels at 48,000 times per second, actively reducing harmful noise while keeping the sound natural and vibrant. The ear tips provide passive noise reduction, and this feature is on by default across all listening modes, preserving the sound signature of what you're listening to while protecting your ears. Next is awareness. I don't think many people realize that they might actually have hearing loss because it often worsens gradually. Apple is introducing a clinical grade hearing test that you can take right from the comfort of your own home using your AirPods Pro 2 and a compatible iPhone or iPad. The test takes only 5 minutes and provides an easy to understand summary, including your level of hearing loss in each ear, a classification, and recommendations. All the results are stored privately in the Health app, where you can share them with a healthcare provider so you can have a more informed conversation about your hearing. Now here's the part that really excites me: assistance. For people with mild to moderate hearing loss, the AirPods Pro 2 now can function as an over-the-counter hearing aid. Using your personalized hearing profile from the hearing test, the AirPods Pro 2 dynamically adjusts sound in real time, allowing you to boost voices during conversations and enhancing your ability to stay connected with what's happening around you. This kind of hearing aid functionality is usually pretty expensive, so it's kind of cool to see something that you can just go and pick up at the Apple Store. A lot of these traditional hearing aids can cost thousands of dollars, easily ranging from $1,000 to $6,000 or more. But with Apple, you're getting all of this for $249, which is honestly kind of mind-blowing. I think this is making hearing assistance way more accessible to a broader audience. And it doesn't just stop there. The hearing profile you create can be applied automatically across all of your audio, whether you're listening to music, watching movies, playing games, or making phone calls. Plus, with the new Media Assist feature, the AirPods Pro 2 can boost specific parts of speech on calls or certain instruments in soundtracks, even for people with minimal hearing loss. It personalizes the listening experience even further for those who might not need a full hearing aid, but still benefit from selective audio adjustments. These updates build on Apple's existing hearing health tools, like the Noise app on the Apple Watch, which alerts you when environmental noise is too loud, and the Reduce Loud Audio feature on the iPhone, where you can limit the headphone volume to a safe level. With all of these features, Apple is really taking hearing health and accessibility to the next level. I think it's really incredible to see Apple making such a significant leap, not just in technology, but in how they're improving people's lives. I'm hyped about the hearing protection feature at concerts, so I will definitely be testing that out to see how it works in comparison to earplugs. Now the AirPods Pro 2 though, I love them so much and I'm so happy with these. I have actually 2 pairs just in case, because I have lost a pair once, but then I found the other pair again after I'd bought the other pair. So I pretty much just carry them both with me. The best part though is they have these different ear tips, and for my super strange ear type, the extra small tips just work so well and they fit so perfectly in my ears. And the noise cancellation though on these, phenomenal. The noise cancellation on these are so good that I do kind of use these as earplugs earplugs sometimes. I will wear them while I'm taking a nap during the day because there's a lot of crowd noise. What am I taking a nap in a stadium? I would. There's a lot of car noise. So with that, it allows me to take my little siesta very, very peacefully. I also love using these with Vision Pro because they do have the spatial audio, and with that head tracking and stuff enabled, it really does make you feel like you are wherever that Vision Pro is. It is real life, and I sometimes will rewatch my Creed spatial video footage with my AirPods in, and it's like I'm back there again. Can you take me home? Should I listen to some Creed? I should probably listen to some Creed. And that is it. If you guys want to watch some more Apple videos that I have, you can check them out here on the end screen, and there will probably be some new ones coming up very, very shortly. So if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos so you can see when those go live. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.